Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would film a video that I just came up with the idea and I freaking loved it. But I painted this painting right here and I wanted to do makeup inspired by my painting onto my face. So this is what I came up with. It looks like that. I wanted to make it like not super intense, not like this because that would have been really intense, but I wanted to get as many of the colors as I could, and then I wanted to blend it kind of lightly like tie-dye because that's what this was inspired by. And yeah, this is how it turned out. So if you guys like this look, just stay tuned for the rest of the video to know how to do it. There's a actual like meaning behind this painting too if you guys want to know. You know how I've been suffering a lot with my anxiety and my depression lately? Well, this represents that even in the darkest parts of my mind, there is a lot of color and light ready to burst out. And that's what this painting means to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side. Fresh-faced with none of this makeup on. Okay, alright, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm going to look at the painting and then I'm gonna do whatever to my face. So yeah, I'm gonna wing this. I have no idea what I want to do, but we're gonna do this. This is gonna be fun. So I'm gonna start out with this base color right here, and I'm just gonna put that literally as a base. I literally don't know what I'm going to do, but I hope it turns out nice. I don't know why I don't plan these things ahead. I just kind of go into them hoping for the best. I think it'll turn out pretty cool for you guys. We're gonna go in with this dark purple shade right here, and we're gonna put that on the outer corners of our crease. This ends up in a disaster. I'm sorry. I tried. I don't think it's going to though. I have an image now. I have like a view of what I want. So yeah, one of the things I've been doing during quarantine, again, is painting, which is something I haven't really done since high school. And I'm getting some compliments, so it's boosting my ego a little bit. And it's also making me realize how much I miss doing makeup and why I bought this palette, you know? To do weird, crazy shit like this. I'm gonna use this blue and I'm gonna put that also in my crease, but just a little bit lower now. This is one of the things I've picked up on while in quarantine is, I guess, my artistic side again, which never left me. I just didn't explore it like I used to when I was younger, but now I want to. And here we are. Kayla's trying new things. Oh my god, that looks kind of cool, right? Alright, I'm gonna go back in with that dark purple shade. I'm gonna put that on my top of my crease a little bit more right there. Anyway, so that is how we are here right now, filming this video. Wow, that looks intense. Ah! I just made my brush fly. Okay, I tried to fix the freaking lighting and I can't do it and I'm annoyed. All I'm doing is going back in with that blue and darkening it up right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this dark red shade right here. And we're going to wing this. I don't know if this is going to turn out okay, but I think it will. Put it right there. Just kind of blend it inward like that. I think I fixed the lighting a little bit. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend that together just a little bit more. So I think it looks kind of cool like that. Create this tie-dye effect that I have on my painting onto my face. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that red just to darken it up like this. I'm gonna bring that across like that. And I'm gonna clean my brush and I'm just gonna blend the purple outwards like this. Blend everything. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this orange shade right here, and I'm gonna put that even closer to the inside of my lids. I'm just going to blend it inwards on my crease. Top right here. And then I'm going to add a little bit more to make it more orange. Like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to blend the blue out again. I'm grabbing that blue one more time. I'm going to blend it outwards like this again, just to redefine that darker line right there. See that? This is actually a lighter blue. I didn't realize I just picked up the wrong blue, but it's okay. It's a happy little accident. Blending it inward, creating like this line of blue in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade right here, and we're gonna just put that all together over here, like the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm gonna wash off my brush because I don't want it to be too much. I'm gonna blend it onto the orange a little bit, just like that. And then now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in roughly with my red and I'm gonna darken that up. I'm just gonna start darkening up my parts that had the colors, like that. And I'm creating like this like tie-dye effect with the way that I'm blending it out. At least that's how I paint it. And then I'm gonna take my dark purple, darken this up again, like that. Going back in with my dark blue, put that right there. Right, now I'm gonna go back in with the orange. Darken that up because it needs to be darkened up. And one more time with the yellow. I have like no idea what I'm doing, but I know that I'm doing something and it's fun. Now before I like figure out what else I want to do with that, I'm just gonna start doing my foundation. And today I'm going to be using the Chanel Opera foundation because it's the only one I have left. I really need to buy a new foundation because this is not my shade anymore. I'm going to be a little bit whiter, but we'll darken it up with some bronzer. I'm just going to blend it into my skin, make myself look more awake because I have not been sleeping too well. I've been waking up like every day around 2:30 a.m. and then staying up until the sun comes up watching Teen Wolf because I can't sleep and it's really bad and I'm trying to break that cycle. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to contour because we need to darken a lot up right now. Using this brush, I'm going to use this shade right here and I'm going to contour my face. And I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer and I'm going to do the same thing. Except now I'm going to bronze it up because that's how much I need right now. And there we go. Now I look like I've actually gotten some color. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Dior Skin concealer and I'm going to conceal my eyes. This is where everything's going to get a lot cleaner for me. And blend that in with my beauty blender. There's something so satisfying about that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go back into my e.l.f. contour palette using my powder brush. I'm gonna use that light shade and I'm going to put that where I just put my concealer. Go ahead and I'm gonna go in with my Benetint and I'm gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. This is a small liner brush and we're going to do the bottom of the eyes. And I'm gonna go in with this dark blue shade that I used earlier. Put that on the outer corners. Now I'm gonna use that dark purple shade right there. Tap off. I'm gonna put that on the very, very outer corners. I'm going to use the red. Basically what I did on top, I'm doing on the bottom. And I'm blending it upwards so it gets a little bit lighter. Then I'm going to use the orange. Great for having two eyeballs, right? Put it right there. Oh, it's in my eye. That's fun. Like that. And then lastly, I'm going to put the yellow in the inner corners. Alright, we're back. I've done the other eye now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and I'm just going to completely finish this look up. I'm going to do this off camera though because I'm really bad with eyeliner. So I'm sorry, I will be right back. Okay. It's not the best, but it's something. It's on there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply my highlighter because I have not done that yet. Use the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. And blend downwards. I'm going to try to blend downwards. Put that right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in the Opal Highlighter by Becca Cosmetics and put that on top. Now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Diamond Balm. And I'm going to put that on the inner corners of my eyes. I love how I'm doing this kind of makeup and I have absolutely nowhere to go after this, so that's fun. But that's cool. I'm actually really enjoying this. I haven't done this in a minute and this is like, oh, I'm going to go with like clear brow gel and I'm just going to, just because they're a little rowdy right now, I'm going to keep them nice and stiff. What was I going to say? I actually haven't done makeup like this in a minute. And this was like one of the most therapeutic things I used to do. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this. This is keeping me very mellow right now, very chill. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with Honey Love, put that on my lips. And now I'm going to set this all in place. I put on mascara. I'm going to use this Lash Paradise. And I'm going to put that on first. I'm really happy because I just reordered Better Than Sex. And you guys know that's my holy grail. This is like the drugstore version and it's not the same and it makes me sad. I really miss it. So just reordered that and then I ordered the Anastasia liquid liner and I'm really excited for that. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm going to put that on top of what I just did. Look at that. Whoa. And now I'm going to take Roller Lash and do that on my bottom lash line because you know how I am. It actually came out pretty cool. Okay. Sorry, I'm just like, I just did my entire face and I never really looked at it while I was doing it. But yeah, so it looks like this. I've tried to make it kind of like tie-dye-ish and blend together so it's not very like strong. But you can see all the colors on there, so it looks really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, I'm actually down to do it. I actually have painted a couple things, so I can do more painting inspired or whatever you guys can think of too, something that's similar to this. Just let me know. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep updated with me. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, evening, or night, whatever time it is that you're watching this, and I will see you guys all next time. I don't ever do that. What is that? Okay.